Hi everyone, after finishing the knotting box in the last video, in this tutorial I will show you how to add the red and white straps underneath the design. First, we are going to grab the last cord on the right. You will notice this one is a little bit longer. That's because we started with the longer cords earlier. Now we bring the last cord to the left. We will use it as the filler cord. Then tie half hitched with the rest of the cords. Just a reminder, it's a half hitch, so you only need to tie it once, not twice like double half hitch. Don't worry if the knot keep loosening up, that's totally normal. You just need to push the next knot close to it while gently pull the working cord down. We will secure everything soon, so no need to stress if they feel a little bit loose right now. Keep going with the half hitches, tying one with each cord all the way across. Just take your time and make sure each knot sits nicely next to the one before it. Then use a paper clip to hold the end in place. We will start adding the strap from the right. Skip the very last cord, just bring it up and hang it over the dowel to keep it out of the way. Next, take the rest cord, which is 1 yard long, and fold it in half. Wrap it around the next two blue cords, then bring the two ends of the red cord through the gap between them. Hold the blue cords with your right hand and gently slide the red cord up using your left hand. Pull it tight and then hang the red end through the dowel. Now repeat the same step on the left side with another 1 yard red cord. Align the 4 blue cords and use your finger to gently push the red cord close to the half hitch line. Next, we bring the last blue cord down, take another 1 yard red cord, fold it in half, and attach it to the blue cord using a lock's head knot. Slide the knot up to the top, and now use the blue cord as your filler cord and tie 4 half hitches. Using the 4 blue cords, you just fasten the red cord through. Bring the red cord down and pull it in to tighten the knot. We just finished the first red stripe. For the next white stripe, you will use the same technique, but this time we will add 3 white cords. Be careful not to miss any blue cords, as it can get a little bit tight. You may need to pay extra attention in this part. After adding the 3 white cords, we will use the same filler cord as before to tie 6 more half hitches with the 6 blue cords that we just passes the white cords through. Continue using the same technique to add 2 more red stripes and 2 more white stripes with 3 cords in each stripe. For the last red stripe, remove the paper clip. Then add 2 more red cords using the same technique. Next, we fold another 1 yard red cord in half and then attach it to the first cord on the left with a lock head knot. Slide the knot up to the top as well. Then to close the half hitch line, finish with a double half hitch to secure everything in place. And that's it, we just finished adding 7 straps underneath the blue design. In the next video, I will show you how to clean up the blue cords in the back, add the rest of the stripe, and attach the wooden stars.